Good morning, Trek team. Here we are in downtown Lockport at the Erie Canal Discovery Center. Notice we even have the Lockport Tour trolley parked out front. This is a great place. You can come here and find out exactly how the canal works. There's some interaction, different activities you can do, along with this very cool movie that makes you feel that you're really on a boat in the canal. And so why are we here today? Because we need to know how percents work for us. We did have that video about changing percents to fractions and fractions to decimal. We're going to link a couple of videos today and show you how they work. Have you ever had a test given back to you and the teacher had a score on the top like this? Do you remember from our first video? That means that there were 20 questions and you had 18 of them correct. And you're saying, well, what's my grade? What's my grade? Very easy. Remember, we have to drop down and divide. I'm going to drop down my 18, add a decimal, and say 20 goes into this 9 times. Just drop down and divide to make your decimal. And there you have your decimal of 9. But that's not your grade, is it? You need a percent. Remember what we did for percent? Oh, we're on the street. Remember what we did for percent? 2 places right for percent. So we're going to move 2 places right, and we get 90%. You did pretty well on that test. You got a 90%. One last thought. Percent, remember we talked about percent is always out of 100. So if I have 20% and I wanted to make it into a fraction, I can put it over 100, just like we did on the other video, because the whole is 100, the part is 20. And I have a little song that will link all of those videos for you together. And I think some of you remember it. Let me do it for you and then I'll show it to you. Always put percent over 100, reduce. Now you have a fraction. Use Michael's rule to find a decimal. Move 2 places right for percent. Remember that? Well, here it is right here. So I need you to look at that. And it's hard. What happened? There we go. Sorry. I need you to look at that, and I'll sing it one last time for you. Actually, I want this video to go shorter, so I'm going to show it to you there. Always put percent over 100, reduce. Now you have a fraction. Use Michael's rule to find a decimal. Move 2 places right for percent. And notice on the bottom, I showed you all those things. So, keep trekking with me. I don't know where we're going to be next time, but I hope you'll be with me. See you later. Bye-bye.